Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back in this beautiful, amazing place. I'm back with another yoga flow. This yoga flow will tone and sculpt your body, leaving you feeling amazed, reinvigorated and full of serotonin. With my two beautiful minions, I really wanted to film here, but it was too hard for my knees and I didn't have my proper yoga mat. So we're going to be filming just round the corner from here on some soft grass. And also, you guys, please if you're watching, please like, comment, subscribe and share this video. It literally means the whole wide world to me. Thank you so much, I really appreciate you. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the yoga flow. So first things first, we are just going to be working on our digestion. So we're really going to rotate. I'm just so shocked because my mom just told me she stood in poo. Just thought I'd share that with you. Anywho's guys, so we're working on our digestion by basically doing circular motions. So you're really using your core muscles and your abdominal muscles to really rotate. And this is absolutely amazing for your digestive. It really stimulates those organs and helps your body release toxins. It helps to calm your mind and your brain. Just flow with it. And as you come to the top of your circle, inhale, and then as you go around, exhale. So when you come like at the half start of your circle, inhale, then when you get to the other half, exhale, and you will literally feel amazing. You'll just feel a shift within your whole body, feeling so calm and at peace. You can try clockwise and anti-clockwise as well. Inhale deeply through your nose, blow out deeply through your mouth. Now we are coming into a plank position. Then we're going to come to one side, stacking our feet. They are amazing at strengthening and toning the whole entire body, your glutes, your abs, your shoulders. And we just came onto our side, opening up the arms, reach. Now we're going to switch to the other side, opening up the heart and chest. Did you know that opening up the heart and chest physically can help to open it up emotionally and mentally? Remember to focus on the breath. Stay with your breath. You can do this. And each time you do, you're building strength. You're strengthening your muscles, your mind. Bring back onto your side and stack the feet. Reach. Inhale, exhale, you guys. You can do this. And be patient and be kind with yourself. Now we are just taking one leg up, reach. Really work those abs, you guys. You really feel this in your core. Try to remain as straight as possible. We are just going to switch to the other leg 5 times on each leg. Remember, this is your very own unique fitness journey, and be kind and patient with yourself and enjoy your journey, because embrace the challenge. Now we're just going to come into cat's cow. As you round the spine, ensure to exhale, and then as you come up into cow, ensure to inhale. This is amazing for your digestive system. It's a great stretch at relieving tension in the shoulders and neck, and also your spine. It's really good for your spine. It can also help to relieve painful period cramps. Now we are just going to come into a plank, and we're going to be doing some plank twists. FYI, that's my little boy. This is great for your core and your obliques, and also targets your side fat, so the side of your waist, aka your love handles. Now we are just going to do leg raises. I'm just waiting until he moves. Just stretching it out a little bit, stretching your abs, and we're going to come back into the plank twist again. Also really good for your bum as well, toning and sculpting. Now we're just going to do leg raises. Do 10 on each leg. Try to really engage your core. Amazing for your core and your bum. And try to stay as straight as possible. Breathe through it, you guys. Next leg, 10 again. You can do it. Inhale, exhale, you got this. We're almost there, you guys. Well done, you did it. Now let's just hold this plank for a few seconds. Stay with your breath, you guys. Breathe through the discomfort. Now we're opening up onto our side and just reach with your arms. Stretch. 7 each arm, up and inside. Stay with your breath. Keep breathing. You got this. Next up, we are going to be doing hip dips. So just dip your hips slightly. Amazing for your side fat. Just dip. We done 3 of those. Now to the other side. Let's go. Same thing, guys. Open up and inside. Open up, side. You can do it. We are almost there, you guys. Keep breathing. Keep pushing. You got this. Coming back into a plank, just hold it and then now we can lower. Well done. Raise up and breathe, you guys. This is an amazing stretch for your abs and your core and also your back as well. Now we're coming into child's pose. Just breathe through it, you guys. This is a wonderful resting pose. Now we're just coming back into a side plank. Stack your feet. Open up. We're doing 5 hip dips each side. Now we are just doing some Spiderman planks, 5 times on each leg. Back into cobra, just inhale, exhale. Now we're just going to do shoulder taps 10 times. Coming back up to cobra and breathe, you guys. We're almost done. We are now going to do 5 of these. This is great at opening up your throat chakra and helping with your communication. We are now just going to rotate. It's great for increasing your body's mobility. We're just rotating, improving your arm strength and your shoulder strength. Back to the middle and then back round. Open up, opening up the throat and heart. Your girls are literally getting tired. Oh, well done. We're almost finished, you guys. And now we are just going to come into a lovely downward dog. Keep pushing and stay with your breath. We're going to raise one leg, and whilst we do, ensure to really suck in that navel. And we are going to kick our legs up 5 times, 5 on each leg. Right for your abs, legs and buttocks muscles. Just keep breathing and kick and really suck in that navel and stay with your breath, you guys. Kick and bring it all the way in, and then kick. Keep pushing. We're almost done, you guys. You can do this. You got this. Now just hop to the front of our mat and we're just going to stretch. Amazing forward folds. I've also done like a full video on forward folds. The benefits are amazing for your digestive system, calming the mind, body and spirit. If you want to check that video out, I will link it down below, where I will share with you in full details all the benefits. As you lower, exhale and come forward. And we're just going to walk our dog, you guys. Walk that dog. Walk out our legs. Kick one leg all the way up. And now the other leg. Coming back into cobra, inhaling. Inhale deeply through your nose, blow out through your mouth. And we're just going to do some cat-cow stretches. Well done, you guys. You have been amazing. I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you for following along with me. Amazing job, you guys. You have built so much strength. I really hope you will leave this practice feeling powerful. Your mantra should be, I am powerful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I love and appreciate you so, so much. And now I'm just going to show my cute little family, bless their hearts. My mum's literally playing football with my kids like behind me whilst I film. She's a true one. I'm so, so grateful for my mum. Love you guys so, so much. And I love my mum and my kids. Peace, love and light. Until next time, you guys. See you in my next upload.